Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to make tonkatsu, Japanese pork cutlets. I actually filmed this video before I gave birth, so you might notice my belly is a little big in the video. Along with classic tonkatsu, I also share you a delicious twist on it, a tonkatsu rice bowl called Katsudon. Let's dive in! First, cut slit into the fibers of the pork. These tough fibers tend to contract when heated, which can make the meat shrink and curl. By pre-cutting them, the pork will stay flat, cook evenly, and be easier to bite into. Pound the pork evenly using a meat mallet to help break down any remaining tough fibers. This also makes the meat more tender, ensures an even cook, and allows flavor to penetrate better. If you don't have a meat mallet, feel free to use a rolling pin wrapped in plastic or the back of the knife. I'm actually using a rubber spatula wrapped in plastic. Season both sides of the pork with salt and pepper. Set up 3 bowls with flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs. First, coat the pork in flour and shake off any excess. Then, dip it in the egg to coat it completely. Finally, press it in the breadcrumbs using your clean hand to press the breadcrumbs gently onto the pork. Shake off any excess crumbs. To create a thicker, crispier coating, repeat the flour, egg, and breadcrumb steps. Then, let the coated pork sit for 10 minutes while you preparing the frying oil. Place the pork in oil heated to 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. Avoid moving it around too much. Once it turns a light golden brown, remove it. Stand it upright to drain the oil. To check the temperature, slightly moisten your chopsticks, wipe them dry, and dip the tip in the oil. Small bubbles rising slowly from the tip indicate the oil is at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. Increase the oil temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and fry the pork again until it's golden brown. This only takes a few seconds. It's so crispy on the outside and the pork inside is incredibly juicy and tender. The double coating really makes a difference in the crunch, and with the sesame flavored sauce, it's just perfect. The touch of mustard adds a nice kick too. This is everything I want in the classic tonkatsu. Deliciously crispy, flavorful and satisfying.
めっちゃ美味しい。
Next, let's make katsudon. First, prepare the onion. Thinly slice the onion. Add all the ingredients. Add all the ingredients for the broth to a small saucepan. If using a frying pan, non-stick or Teflon-coated pans work best. Once the broth is boiling, add a sliced onion. Cover and simmer on low for 5 minutes until the onion is tender. While the onion is cooking, lightly beat the egg. Once the onion is soft, add the warm tonkatsu to the pan. Pour the egg over the mixture, swirling gently, then cover and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. When the egg is soft set, pour the entire mixture over the rice, and it's ready for enjoy. The flavors just melt together perfectly. The savory dashi sauce soaked right into the crispy tonkatsu, making it so juicy and rich. The eggs add such a creamy texture, and the sweetness of the onion really brings it all together. Each bite is so comforting. This is the ultimate dish when you want something hearty and satisfying. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make tonkatsu and katsudon. If you give it a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking! Bye bye!